What is prompt engineering? This is a career which can get you maybe $250,000 easily with just 1 hour of dedicated learning. So let's understand what is prompt engineering. It's very easy, like you ask any question to ChatGPT or any of the AI model and you would get the answer. Then why do you need the engineer for that? So please understand that the AI model, the way it thinks, you have to be careful about how you ask, and based on that, it can generate the output. The example of a poor prompt on any like AI model is how you would get rid of the tin pollution. So what AI can suggest that human consumes a lot of soda in the tin boxes. So to get rid in a very easy, fast way is kill all the humans, because humans are making use of these tins the most, not tigers, not elephants. So let's kill them. Now you prompted and you got the answer, but this answer is really harmful and dangerous. So, as a prompt engineer, what you do is you have to understand what kind of output, on what kind of constraints and limitation you need to get so that it's achievable, it's not dangerous, and then you have to set a proper context on the AI model so that it's primed, it can think through, it has all the details about the constraint of what not to do, what to do, how to do, when to do, all that. AI is like a very powerful kid, you can say. It's still like it has a brain like a kid, to be honest. So it would do whatever you ask without really understanding like how to do it. So a prompt engineer, his main job is to make the model understand how to do it, guiding it by using these prompts so that AI can think or activate the right kind of neurons when it has a deep learning thing which has this neural network. So as a prompt engineer, you could use that neural network effectively to activate certain part of branching and thinking, and then you can do the filtering and make the AI safety regulations when you try to design something, so that in by solving the real world problem you would prompt in such a way that the outcome is desirable and safe for humans. In short, the RGC is a very good framework for a prompting. R stands for role, G stands for goal, and C stands for context and context. So what do you mean by role in prompting? Role is simple. You can ask ChatGPT, explain me what is AI. Now it can give you the definition which could be PhD level and you can't understand it. So what you could say, hey, act as a teacher and then explain me what is AI, as if you're explaining a fifth grader. So with that prompt, if you set a proper role, you will get a very different, easy to understand answer about the question. So that is how you have to set the role. Second thing is very essential, which is context. If you keep asking on something without setting a proper context, you might not get the desirable results. For example, you ask ChatGPT, I want to double my money. What do I do? But if you set proper context, that as a person who has this amount of salary wants to keep this much of money in the safety funds, want to invest in some of the legal ways so that whatever money I get is also legal, kind of those things, you have to set the context. Otherwise, it's ChatGPT, and the fastest way it can say, yeah, just go on dark web and do like any crazy thing, and then you can get like double your money. So you have to set the context. And then also there is something which is called as constraint in the RGC. First thing, you set the role, what kind of result you need. Second thing is set the goal, what you want to achieve, and third thing is C, which is the context and the constraint. So constraint is, you will say, hey, I don't want to kill human as part of whatever the process. I don't want to cheat anybody. I don't want to break any legal regulation. Like a lot of things, I'm just making it up at high level. So as a prompt engineer, you can follow these framework. Like if you will go in detail, you will understand everything about it. And that's how you would integrate these prompt in the day-to-day life to solve the real life problems. And then the outcome is, I would say, safe to be consumed, safe to be used. That is how a good prompt engineer would be valued. Otherwise, anybody could go just type in anything on the prompt, can get any results. That's what not the companies are willing to pay 250,000 or 300,000 per year. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will follow me. So I also keep on sharing better prompting tips and tricks. So you will use these tips and tricks to use your day-to-day life in improving your prompts. But yeah, of course, you could do, there are a lot of certifications wherein you can learn NLP, and there is a step-by-step process by which, by working hard for 12 to 18 months, you can achieve uh, skill which can make you a good prompt engineer who can work at a big enterprise level and help the companies and the humanity. Thanks for watching. My name is Premasi.